What if I told you you could make $10,000 by Christmas without talking to a single person? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Michele O'Neil's system is a game changer for anyone wanting financial freedom with minimal effort. First off, no talking, no selling, no chasing. Automation does all the heavy lifting. Awkward sales calls? Gone. Rejection? Forget it. It's seamless and stress-free. Next, Michele's system focuses on high-profit digital products. Imagine earning $600 for each sale. That's 100% profit in your pocket. With just 17 customers, you're looking at over $10,000. Simple math, massive returns. Worried about setting things up? Michele's got you covered with a done-for-you funnel. It's like having a 24/7 money-making machine. From landing pages to email automation, it's all pre-built and ready to go. Posting ads has never been easier. With 200+ pre-written ads for platforms like Facebook and TikTok, just copy, paste, and post. You don't need to be creative. These ads are proven to work. Not a fan of showing your face? No problem. Michele teaches you to create engaging, faceless content that grabs attention. Just add a simple call to action and watch the magic happen. All it takes is 2 hours a day. Yes, just 2 hours to post ads, create content, and manage responses. Michele's system handles the rest, bringing you sales without the grind. Plus, you're not alone. Join live mentoring sessions and a supportive community of over 4,200 members. Celebrate wins together and stay motivated. Ready to make this Christmas unforgettable? Click the link in the description or visit dailypaybusiness.com for Michele's free guide. Your breakthrough season starts now.